there's a type of analysis that is like very important that is actually quite hard to do, especially if you do this manually, and that is a period over period analysis. What we have here in SellerMetrics is our period over period analysis tool. This tool allows you to analyze period over period performance from campaign all the way to search term levels. It is a great way to do some very granular analysis on your keyword performance on a period over period basis. So a great use case for this is that I have here, want to analyze my keyword performance from April versus March. Let's just say in this instance, I want to look at situations where sales orders have decreased more than 5 orders on a period over period basis. You could easily filter that out under the delta orders or delta sales filter. So let's just say I want to do a filter on delta orders. Each of these metrics will have 3 columns to them. So first would be the current column. So this is your data based on your current date range. The previous column, which is based on the previous date range, right? And then the delta column, which is the difference between this, the current, minus the data on your previous. So let's just look into situations where orders decrease on a month over month basis by at least 5. So less than equal to -5. All right, and then let's just say I want to filter this by situations where the difference is the most pronounced. So as you can see, these few keywords right here in the list, total 21, shows keywords where the situation in terms of orders on a period over period basis drop by at least 5 orders. Right. So these keywords are probably something that you want to monitor. Or have you actually been over optimizing these? Right. You could look at your click-through rates, CPC, right? Whether your CPC for a period over period is competitive or not. You could, if not, if let's just say your CPC drops substantially, like from your previous period to your current period, you could come with a conclusion that you probably have over optimized a certain keyword, and maybe you need to potentially bid it a little higher to get back the impressions that you lost on a period over period basis. Right? You can also see our performance by our conversion rate, and also ACoS on a period over period basis. And then on the column side, you can select which columns that you would like to see in your analysis. Let's just say I just really want to see the clicks and impression only, even CPC. Right, apply. From here, you can see there's only 3 metrics that's filtered out, the ones that really matter to you. So yeah, feel free to play around with it. It's very important for you to constantly monitor how you perform on a period over period basis, not only on the keywords, but also your different data levels, right? Starting from campaign, you could build it down and do your analysis top down and see where the specific performance is lagging, or what particular on a granular level, which performance is doing well, so you could like double down on that. So again, any questions, feel free to reach out to me on the widget on the bottom right, and I will get to you as soon as possible. Thank you.